Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about designing an interactive dashboard that can help non-expert audience to explore Ireland's national energy statistics. So this is the main file, Excel file of that statistics of all of these energy resource in different categories and in different years, starting from 1990s to I can say to 2024. Look, I can see here 1990 to 2024 here, 22, 23, 24 here. So in all of these years, all of these sheets here, the structure of the sheets are the same, meaning that the same columns and the same rows. The same unit is KTOE, meaning kilotons of oil equivalent, and the columns here are included as the resource of the energy as LPG, coal, coke, crude oil, and I can say these are non-renewable energies like as LPG and renewable energies, including here you can see that for example this renewable energy is the sum of hydro, wind, biomass, renewable waste, landfill gas, biogas, and etc. And this is the last one is the total. This total here is the sum of non-renewable waste, renewable energy source, and natural gas. Also, the sum of oil, peat here, and the coal. So and in the rows categories, you can see all of these categories are provided here, including indigenous production, import, export, primary energy supply, primary energy requirements, transformation input, transformation output, and all of these categories you can see here: own use and distribution losses, various industry sectors here, transport, residential, commercial service, agriculture, fishery, and final row is statistical difference. So all of these columns and rows are provided the same structure for each of these years or sheets. So in order to create this web-based dashboard, we have to convert Excel file to JSON file. Why we are using this? Why we are doing this? Because web application like those made in React, they don't read Excel files directly. So they work best with JSON because JSON is a lightweight, structured, and easy to use format for storing and exchanging data. As you know, JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation. So in order to convert Excel file to JSON, I have used Python in Google Colab. Here, let me share that with you. Okay, it's shared. So in this code, I have imported Pandas as PD and imported JSON. And so this is the file. Path is content national / national energy balance Excel file. So since this is content, I have to upload it inside here in the Colab. This is national energy balance Excel file. So it's going to be okay. It's already uploaded here. So I'm going to run the code here. Yeah, these are the processing sheets from 1990s to 2024. What does this code do here? The code here uh, mainly by using this make unique, it handles duplicated category names. The second duty of this code is to clean column names and finally create a nested JSON file here. This one, I mean this uh, JSON file here. All of these JSON conversion has been completed here. And so finally, I have to export the JSON file and download it here, obviously. So this is this code from Google Colab import files. And so I'm going to download it as national energy JSON. Okay, it has been downloaded here. Since I have previously downloaded it various times, because of that, it makes the name different. National Energy 1. Okay, in the next step, I have to do what? I have to create and set up the React project. First, in order to set up the React project, I have to firstly change the directory of here the directory of. I have to use obviously the command prompt and I have to change the directory of the drive here from C to D, and the energy drive that I have, and the energy folder that I have created in drive D here. So let me do that by cmd or command prompt here by using this command or this code. Okay, so here, yes, the directory of this command has been changed to energy, D energy. So here I have to do what? I have to create React project. So in order to create this React project, I have to run this code. Let me paste the code here in the command prompt. Okay, so this is the npx create React application by the name of Ireland Energy Dashboard. Since I already created this command, this folder, I can say, I'm not going to press enter button, so I'm going to delete that, and I'm going to show the energy folder here that it already has been created, Ireland Energy Dashboard folder here. So inside the folder we have three other folder. Firstly, the node modules, public, and src folder here. So in the next step, I have to obviously bring that national energy JSON file in the public folder here. I already have done that. This is the national energy.json folder that I downloaded from the Google Colab Python code that I showed you. I just showed you. So that was downloaded, and then I fetched that in, and and I pasted that, copy pasted that inside this public folder. So in the next step, I'm going to navigate the project and open it inside Visual Studio Code. To do that, I have to run this code, this command in the prompt, in the command prompt here. Okay, so enter. So I mean, I have to bring this this code here. Let me. The code is not correct here. Okay, so here I have to bring it code dot as well. Let me do it again here. Okay, so the Visual Studio Code has been created. Let me share that as well here. Here I have to share this Visual Studio Code as well. So share. I hope it will be shared here. Let me show that here. Oh yeah, that one has been, Visual Studio Code has been created here. This Visual Studio Code, that you can see the Ireland Energy dashboard is already here. So this Ireland Energy dashboard React file, I can say, React folder, I can say, has two main JavaScript files here. The first one is category chart chart file, and the second one app file, JSON, JS or JavaScript file. What are these for? This category chart here is mainly the logic of this code is mainly to fetch JSON, and secondly format the data, and thirdly handle missing values, and finally it builds the chart layout here. So you can see here that, for example, here this one imports React from React, imports bar charts, bar x axis, y axis, and etc. And finally, it exports default category chart here. How about the app.javascript file here? The app.js or app JavaScript file here is for doing various things. Firstly, in general, it imports React app here, and secondly, imports the custom components like as category chart from components from category chart. This means that let me show you that component chart here. So this one here, this is our C here. This is the component folder here, and inside this component folder, components folder, that there is this category chart.js here. And so you can see that this app.js imports the custom component, and it defines the app component like as function app, and And finally, it exports the components here by export at the end of this one. It exports the default app here. This lets the app's root file index.js, the app's root file, import and render the app component here. So in the final step, we can run the app in a web page, in local web page here. So in order to do that, I'm going to open this this command prompt here again. So I'm going to run this npm start code here, start command here. Okay. So what does this mean? This means that this by running this npm start, we can tell a node package manager to start the React app using the start script and run the app in development mode. So it's already has been I can say that it's been completely successful. You can see here that yes, it has been compiled successfully. So let me share that here. Okay, let me share that here as well. Okay, share. Yes, you can see the shared file here. Yes, this is the final in the final Ireland National Energy dashboard in the local host here. So you can see here that these are the category of the years here from 1990 to 2024, and this is the category of the rows that I already showed you. These, for example, indigenous production, import, export, all of them have been created here. Industry, various industry, for example, non-energy mining, food and beverage, or rubber and plastic products, transport, uh, education, agriculture, fishery, and statistical difference here. All of them have been created in this category. And also you can see that the bars here, the x-axis is the columns I showed you, the source of the energy, coal, manufacturing, ovoids, all of them, crude, refinery gas, the renewables, including hydro, biomass, landfill gas, biodiesel, solar, photovoltaic, ambient heat, and etc. And this is the total. For example, let me show you this one, indigenous, exactly this indigenous. Oh, let me show you the other one as well. Public thermal power plants, imports, for example, indigenous. Let me show you, for example, in the different year. For example, here in 2011. So you can see that in 2011, we, as indigenous production or national production, we have these peat, for example, peat or male peat and salt peat. The values are shown here. At the same time, you can see that renewables values, hydro, wind, biomass, etc. So let's compare this one, for example, indigenous production, compare this one with another year, for example, 2023. So you can see that this indigenous production, in the case of a non-renewable energy source, it has been drastically decreased, but the renewables have dramatically increased here. So you can use the other categories as well, all of these categories in various years, for example 2017. All right, that's it. If you have any question, I will be happy to answer that. And finally, thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the next videos.